Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our presentation RFID door lock system. Okay, firstly, our introduction is this project is based on the presence of RFID. Here I have used Arduino Uno as the controller. RFID is one of these technologies that is changing the way we interact with other electronic devices and things in our environment. Its issue is every application where some unique identifier is needed, from retail, security, and is also leading the way along some futuristic innovation with RFID-based human implants, among others.
Then, our objective is providing an efficient and secure method of locking and unlocking the door. Allow for remote control or monitoring of the lock status through a computer or smartphone. Providing initial security features such as motion detection or alarm system. Reducing the reliance on physical keys which can be lost or stolen. Providing a low-cost solution compared to traditional door lock system, allowing for customization and flexibility in terms of the programming and functionality of the lock system.
Okay, next is usefulness. These various applications make RFID desirable and useful for some Arduino projects. For example, the RFID door lock system works to place manual lock with automatic ones by using a piece of RFID card that is registered into the Arduino. Apart from that, this RFID function can be further improved in security system, rooms, buildings, and others. This RFID lock door project is also equipped with an LCD display that explains when the door will be open or closed. In addition, this LCD will also display wrong card when using the wrong card. Next is market potential. Our project first potentially to be used in every class in our study center of the Mara IKML Skill Institute. Next, using reasonable cost for this device. Besides that, easy to use and save time. And lastly, comprehensive use of study centers such as universities, institute, and college.
So, our conclusion is the RFID door lock system was developed with the aim of automating and improving the use of doors by simply scanning using the card. This can make it easier to users, whether lecturers or students, to open the door. This means that the security system will be safer. With this RFID lock system, the door will also always be locked if there is no proper card authentication. This means that only the card holder can open the door. In conclusion, an Arduino door lock system is an excellent project for those looking to create a secure and customizable door locking system by using an electronic lock that can be controlled by the Arduino microcontroller board. The system can be programmed to allow access to specific individual or group through various authentication methods like keypad or RFID readers. Moreover, the Arduino board can also be programmed to record and log access attempts, making it useful for security purposes. Overall, the Arduino door lock system is a cost-effective and versatile way to secure a doors that can be tailored to the user's specific need and preference. Next, let's see our project.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. This is our project RFID download system.
So this is our component that we use RFID download system. First, LCD 12 model, arduino uno, RFID reader, motor and door lock.
Okay, next. I want to explain
How to use
our
project.
So firstly, this is card that detect the RFID. Look at this. Then the door is open. When I put it there, the door is locked. So when use this RFID, it can be used too, but
When you use wrong card, so display
the display like this. Wrong card. Okay.
that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.